Let's take a walk down to where the Rocky River flows into the deep river. We are at the White Pines Nature Preserve, located in Chatham County, just north of Sanford, North Carolina. They have a system of hiking trails to and from the rivers. All the trails are marked by color markers that make the trails easy to follow. We'll place trail signage at all junctions. What was that? That just flew into the tree. As we walk on the red trail, you will see some interesting trees that are in different stages of moments in time. We have made our way down to the river. This is the Rocky River just before meeting with the deep river. We can now get a clear view of what the junction looks like from our sky cam. This view is the Rocky River at the junction of the Deep River. Now that's what I call vine. This one is huge.